Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla and I'm a leadership coach. I'm showing you the 12 days of Planmas in my intentional growth planner. And welcome back for today's day. It's the 6th day of Planmas and we're going to be talking all about gratitudes and affirmations. And happy Hanukkah to everyone who celebrates. Today is the last day. So let's just get right down to it. So I've already put in the monthly template, the weekly template. We've gone over the purpose and my ideal day template. And there we go. Just a little bit glitchy this morning. We did the wellness wheel on day 3 in the reflection. We also have gone over goal setting using my Bluetooth keyboard and the habit tracker. We're getting so far into this planner. So today we're going to add a section for gratitude and affirmation. So I'm going to rename this tab. Use a little shorthand there. All right. Gratitude. Now, this page is something that I'm going to insert it, be in the draw mode, the text mode, insert, and all my files are in the file section. Yours might be saved as PNGs. All right, here's my gratitude and affirmations page. And I'm just going to make this the background. So this page can be used over and over and over. You can make as many gratitude or affirmation pages as you like, sections as you like. You can come in here and even insert another file right next to it if you wanted to, like over here, so that you can keep these like side by side. You get to design this planner, which is why I do really love OneNote, even though the features are different than some of the other planner features. So there you have it. All right, and so the way that I have it organized is I think I have 5 days here that you can write gratitude and affirmations. You can come in here and write your date. And I think it's really helpful to do things you're grateful for, and then right away come over here and do your I am statements or your affirmations. And so I have them next to each other so that you can have, 12/6 gratitudes and 12/6 affirmations together. But I also have the dates. I have the date lines for you here so that, maybe you don't have gratitudes or you miss a day. That's fine. You can just start on whatever day you want. You don't have to have it perfectly aligned. So it's very customizable. So for gratitude, there is science out there that says that if you put yourself in a positive mindset, if you look for the good, then you're going to feel better and you're going to be a more positive person, and that contributes to our overall health. And so every day I like to come in here and write what I'm thankful for. Sometimes it's really simple. It's, just like I'm thankful for sunshine in the winter, right? When it can be so dark sometimes or overcast. And then sometimes it's more like thought out and it's deeper and it's about my kids, and I might talk about something they did today and a memory that I have with them that I'm so grateful for. And so sometimes I'll go on a longer writing about that, and sometimes it's just like the sun, food, really simple. If I'm having a bad day, often one of the first things I'll do is be like, okay, I need to shake this and I need to look for the good. And so I'll come here and I'll write some simple gratitudes out, and right away I'm like, okay, I'm reframing my thoughts to think and find the good things rather than focus on the negative. So that's one thing you can do to make yourself feel better if you're finding that you're catching those thoughts are so negative. And then affirmations. Affirmations are I am statements like I am confident, things you want to feel or want to be. But they also can be helping you become the person that you want to be. Be that person now. Be her now. Be him now. Be they now. And so one of my affirmations is like this: I take meaningful steps each day to make progress in my business. Okay, So for example, I want to come in here and tell myself, like, I am a successful business owner, right? And so what would a successful business owner do? And they would take meaningful steps every day to breed success in their business. So affirmations help me be the person I want to be now instead of where I am today. And so you can write affirmations as if they already happened. You can write things like, I am financially free. I am a VP. I am whatever. And so if you're looking to be promoted, I am this, and I have abundance, things like that. So thinking about writing your statements as if they've already occurred. So it's the end of the year. Think about where you're going to be at the end of December in 2022 and write your affirmations as if you are already there. I am whatever you hope to be at the end of next year. All right, guys, that's it. Let's keep it short and sweet for today, for Monday. And let's see, tomorrow we're coming back and I'm going to show you the journal pages and how I use them and the science behind journaling and why it's so helpful. All right, everyone, take care and have a great day.